We're starting with an event bus, which is a VueJS pattern allowing components to communicate without direct parent-child linkage. Here we import reactive and read-only from Vue to create a reactive EventBus object inside the EventBus plugin. We then provide the EventBus object to our app so it can be injected in different components. We also extend the Vue instance with global methods $on, $off, and $emit for subscribing to events, unsubscribing from events, and emitting events, respectively. Using reactive ensures we can reactively listen to changes, while read-only prevents direct alteration of the event bus. In the main entry file of the Vue app, we import and create a new Vue application with createApp. We then use AppUse to install the EventBus plugin. This allows any component to access the EventBus methods like $on, $off, and $emit for cross-component communication. Lastly, we mount the app to the DOM. Next, we have a child component that utilizes the EventBus to emit an event. We use Vue's inject function to inject the EventBus provided earlier. Within the setup function, we define emitEvent, a method which uses the global $emit method to send out an event named myEvent with a message. When the user clicks the button in the template, emitEvent is called. In another component, we listen for the event emitted by the child component. We import the Vue lifecycle hooks onMounted and onUnmounted. Inside setup, we use onMounted to register a listener for myEvent using the global $on method. When the event is received, we log the message to the console. With onUnmounted, we ensure to remove the listener using $off to prevent memory leaks and unnecessary callbacks when the component is destroyed.